No.
We got adopted by a bald guy. I thought this would be more like Annie.
Ah! No! Hey! Kyle, these are not treats. These are guests. Girls, this is Kyle, my dog.
Oh, fluffy dog. What kind of dog is that?
He's his. I don't know.
Do you really think this is an inappropriate place for the kids? 'Cause, it's not.
No, stay away from it. It's fragile. Well, he's supposed the plan will work with too.
Hey, it's dark in here. He poked a hole in my juice box.
As you can see, I've provided everything a Clyde might need. Alright, as I was saying.
Somebody broke that.
Okay, clearly, we need to set some rules. Rule number 1, you will not touch anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
What about this?
Where did you get it?
Found it.
Okay, rule number 2, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number 3, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze or burp or fart. So, no annoying sounds, right?
Does this count as annoying?
Very.